every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to my food challenge where I'm trying Laura in the kitchen recipes for the very first time in front of the camera together with you. And today I'm going to try Laura's fudge recipe. I love Laura's desserts with sweetened condensed milk. The texture of them, oh my god, it's so good! Every single one of them was just amazing. So if you're as curious to see how it looks and tastes in the very end, then keep on watching. We're gonna need 400 grams can of sweetened condensed milk, 220 grams of chocolate, 80 grams of mixed nuts. I have here almonds, cashews, and Brazil nuts, chopped, and 30 grams of mini marshmallows. Start with the hardest part of the recipe, preparing the pan. I have here 23 by 23 centimeters baking pan, which I want to line with parchment paper with sides overhanging, so that it would be easy to take the fudge out in the end once it's set. And if I have any parts of the pan open, exposed, I will spray them with some non-stick cooking spray as well, because I don't want anything to stick anywhere. Oh my god, the parchment paper is winning. How did she do it? And now to a small non-stick saucepan, I'm gonna add the condensed milk and the chocolate, and over medium heat I'm gonna warm them together until the chocolate melts and everything incorporates together while stirring constantly, because this can burn really easy. Oh my god, you guys, look at this! This looks so good. Okay, so now to this glorious mixture, which I can already see the texture will be phenomenal. I'm gonna add the nuts and the mini marshmallows. I'm gonna mix everything in, and then, without taking a breath, I will try to spread it as evenly as possible into the pan. Okay, so now I will have the hardest task of trying to resist licking any of this goodness, because I do want to try this for the very first time together with you. So this now needs to come to room temperature. Once that happens, I'm gonna put it into the fridge for an hour or two until it fully sets. I just realized that I'm not really sure what fudge is. I should Google, I suppose. It's not really a chocolate, it's not a candy, it's not a cake. What is it? Is it a candy? I have no idea. This looks delicious though. What is it? It's not chocolate. Yet it's not a cake. I'm so confused. It's so good though. It's sort of... that's why Laura calls that brownie fudgy brownie, right? It's I think that's the texture I love. This chewy one. This is a sugar bomb. Oh, one thing I wanted to say, I love this texture so much. Can anything with condensed milk be bad? I don't think so. One thing I wanted to note is that I didn't really spray my parchment paper with non-stick cooking spray, because honestly, I never do. Whenever I lay the baking pan with parchment paper, I just spray the sides if they're, you know, exposed, but it was always enough. But in this recipe, I mean, this was totally destroyed. It's stuck, okay? So it really got stuck on that. So I'm pretty sure that spraying it with some non-stick cooking spray would be a smart choice. And how do you like my holiday decorations? I feel like we have, oh, I'm making such a mess. I feel like I have quite a few similarities with Laura, being a very like creative and decorative person. Not like this is as good as it gets for me, but I'm pretty pleased. Is this lame? Kind of looks cool for me. I so don't have this creative bone in me. Like, I can get ideas from, you know, watching, looking at some photos or like seeing what other people do, but yeah, this is pretty much what I can come up with myself. It's so funny to me. But at the same time, is this like too bad? I don't know. This is how Laura's fudge looks like. If you want to watch her make it, the link is there in the cards. This is a very, very interesting thing. I'm still not sure what it is. I will definitely Google after wrapping this up. If you want to try it yourself, if you love chocolate, if you like, you know, holiday things, this is a really cool thing. I feel like, and if you like giving food gifts, this is a really, really great recipe as well, because you can make, you know, the amount doesn't extend the time of making. So you can make a lot of them, just, you know, pack up nicely in some transparent, I don't know, like bags or whatever, just tie with something cute, like little ribbon or whatever. And this looks really cool. It's really tasty. Most people love chocolate, so you can really not go wrong with this. And these mini marshmallows, I could finally find them. What exciting time in my life! Thank you so much for watching. If you want more recipes like this, the playlist, the whole playlist with a lot of different recipes is there. And that's it from me. I'll see you very, very soon. Bye!